welcome to Cooking with Mimi. And today on Cooking with Mimi is a special day because it's my best friend's birthday. Shout out to BRIANA. Today, Cooking with Mimi is dedicated to BRIANA. She is Guyanese, so therefore we're going to make her favorite treat, pine tarts. Let's get started. Here I have 3.5 cups of flour already sifted. I'm going to add a pinch of salt in here and 2 teaspoons of sugar, one-third cup of butter, salted, unsalted, whatever you prefer, and 1/3 cup of shortening, vegetable shortening. So now what you want to do, you want to go in with your hands and you want to mix till you get a crumbly texture. Keep mixing till you get a nice crumbly texture. Alright guys, this is the crumbly texture you're looking for. It's nice and crumbly. Okay? And here I have 3/4 cup of ice cold water. I added ice to it. And you're going to slowly, I don't want to get the ice in there. You want to slowly add it in until your dough is well combined. You don't want to add all the water at a time. Just slowly add water in until, try not to get any ice in there, just until the dough is well combined. You want your dough to be well combined. I'm going to transfer my dough to a cutting board and continue kneading a little bit more. You're going to knead a little bit more. You don't want to knead too much. You don't want to overwork your dough. This is pretty fun. Okay, now I'm going to form my dough into a log. You want to form your dough into a log about 12 inches. Alright guys, once you finish rolling your dough into a log about 12 inches long, you're going to want to put it in plastic wrap. And you want to wrap it nice and as tight as possible. And twist the ends here. Okay. And now we're going to let this rest in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And while that's being done, I'll start on the pineapple jam. Alright guys, now we're going to make the filling. So here I have 1 whole fresh pineapple. I chopped it up in chunks. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. For my spices, I have a peeler of a lime, not a whole lime, but you know, take a peeler off a lime. 2 cinnamon sticks, a few few little pieces of star anise, nutmeg for grating, and fresh ginger. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by pureeing my pineapples. You don't want to puree it too much. You just want you want it to still be a little chunky, not too chunky. You want it to be just right. Okay. So first I'm gonna put my heat on medium high. Wait till my skillet gets hot. Alright guys, while my pan is heating up, by the way, this gave me about the pineapple I used gave me about 2 cups and a quarter of crushed pineapples, or pureed pineapples. So my pan is nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Get all that in there, guys. All of it. All of it. All of it. And then I'm going to add the nutmeg and grate that in. So that's about half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add my cinnamon sticks, my lime peel, ginger, and star anise. So the pineapple I used is very sweet, so I'm going to cut back on a little bit of sugar. So I just ended up using probably a little bit more than a quarter cup of dark brown sugar. Give this a stir. Alright guys, you want to cook this, we're going to cook this for about 45 minutes to an hour. You want it to have like a jam-like consistency. Smells really good already. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this cook. You want to stir it every 10 minutes to make sure that it's not sticking to the bottom. But let it cook for a good 45 minutes to an hour, just until you get that nice consistency, jam consistency you're looking for. And I'll be back. Alright guys, after 15 minutes I turned my heat on low, and it turns out that being that I'm using an iron skillet, it helped it cook faster. But if you're cooking it in like a regular pot, it's gonna take a little bit longer. But so far this been cooking for about almost 30 minutes, and it's basically done. I just have to add the vanilla and stir that in. And guys, one last step, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of rum. And mix that in, and we'll be done. Alright guys, I'm just gonna transfer this into my bowl. Turn my heat off. So I'm gonna let that cool down, and I'm still waiting for my dough to be rested, and I'll be back to finish the final product. Alright guys, my dough has been chilling for about 4 hours. So we're gonna start rolling the dough out. So I'm just gonna cut them about 1 inch thick. So I'm gonna start with that for now, and then put the rest to the side for now. So I'm gonna flour the surface a little bit. Here I have 1 egg, 1 whole egg, and an egg white. And you're gonna see what I'm going to use with this. So basically what you're looking for is a circle. So you basically want to roll it out till you get a circle. So you're going to take your egg whites and you're just going to put it around just the edge. And that's going to help seal it when you're folding it. One tablespoon of my filling. Just gonna spread it out. Add a little bit more. Just spread it out. And then you're looking for a triangle shape, so I'm going to fold it this way, and then this way, like that, and then bring it in like so. And there we go, guys. So pretty. So pretty. Awesome. Here I have a silicone mat. Wait, first I'm gonna take the egg wash and just brush it over. And that's what's gonna give us that nice golden brown color. Then I'm gonna take my fork and poke some holes. Okay, and I'm gonna move on to making the next one. This one might be smaller. Actually, this one will be smaller. And take some of my filling again. Spread it out. I kind of did it backward, guys. Forgot the egg wash. The egg whites. Put the egg whites around the edges. And then we're basically going to hold it like this and then like that. Make a triangle this way. Kind of looks like a hamatosh, but it's not. I'll take my fork, poke, 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 boop, boop, boop. Put it on my mat. So we have a baby one and we have a mama one. Take the egg wash and just brush that over. Alright guys, this is what it should look like. Make sure your oven was being preheated at 350 degrees. Forgot to mention that. And we're going to bake this for 25 minutes. So I'll see you then. Alright guys, this is a finished product of the pine tart. It looks pretty. Brianna, let me know how I did. It's still sizzling. And I'm going to plate it. Alright guys, this is the complete finished product. I love the way they turned out. I think they turned out great. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I had so much fun making this. Happy birthday, Brianna. Please, please, please show my best friend some love down in the comments below. Tell her happy birthday, please. Okay? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy birthday, Brianna.